Hi everyone. I'm a member of the public sector team at Syntasa, a GCP marketplace partner where we are passionate about unlocking real business value with innovative data and AI solutions. Syntasa is a leading data analytics and AI platform that empowers organizations to turn raw data into actionable insights and help them make smarter decisions using advanced machine learning and automation. Now, today's fundraising officers are facing a harsh reality. Donors are increasingly frustrated by impersonal outreach. The truth is, most of these fundraising officers are using signals from CRM, but most donor signals live outside the CRM, in website visits, in email interactions, social media engagement. While CRMs are foundational, they are proving insufficient because massive value exists in disconnected data from these websites, from advertising and emails. This requires a unified profile and AI to unlock the value that lies inside. CDPs like Syntasas can mine these digital footprints for meaningful personalization, and the result is a boost in donor engagement and stronger retention, made possible through AI powered personalization. So, welcome to DonorAI. Let's meet Sam. Sam is a campaign officer at a university who logs into DonorAI, Syntasa's composable CDP platform powered by Google Cloud. Right away, Sam sees an annual giving campaign and sees some key performance indicators that are pertinent to his work, along with some recent activity that's happened. On the left, I want to point your attention to a handy AI assistant, an agent that a person like Sam can talk to through natural conversations and get help and move around this platform, along with see some shortcuts about where they left off when they were last logged in, review an active campaign, audience suggestions, and even donor activity. So let's review an active campaign. It looks like this university is actually going to exceed its target of 25 million. Along with that, there are some campaigns that can be seen over here that are running. Let's go create a campaign now. We can ask the AI agent to help us with this step, and we can see a campaign creation workflow laid out for us on how to personalize. And seeing that we want to possibly run a campaign for engineering alumni, let's type in something into this agent and see what we come up with. Can we see some existing campaigns because it is always easier to use a previous template. Ah, some previous email campaigns are loaded and they have their statistics, some click and open rates for emails. Some were high, some were medium performance. Let's take a peek into this one. Looks like this campaign was run for an engineering scholarship fund in March 2025. Seems to cover many things. The impact a person raised. This is an email that went out. Let's minimize the AI agent, which can be accessed very easily when needed, and use this template. Now we can see the campaign creation workflow. We can enter a campaign name, a description. There are also some handy AI suggestions that we can apply. Enter some goals. All of these are passed to the Gemini model to generate personalized messages for this campaign. We can even add or delete some audiences, save and continue, change some more text. This is what a sample email would look like. It has some subject lines, greeting, an email body. We can change this email body and choose the future of engineering is bright. Let's take this line, check that all the fields make sense. Once again, these fields are provided as an input to the model. The final output will take the profile for the existing donors and the alumni and use GenAI to actually generate a message. Let's save and continue. This is where we can see the donor AI's CCDP shining through. We can use individual level personalization where each donor can see their specific giving history. We can have their entire activity, their engagement metrics, their past interaction, their volunteer activity come through and be possibly used in a message. When we save and continue, we can see a sample message that will go out. You can see personalization highlights, which mention some things that were actually changed over here. This is the message that we gave as an input to the model, and the subject line would actually be Empower Future Engineers in San Francisco. If we take a look at the sample profile that the model used, Parker Hill from California, who went to School of Engineering and donated 5,000 last, as well as a long-time donor. We can see their entire transaction history, interactions, their entire engagement represented over here within DonorAI. And we go back, we can see references to their last amount, as well as references to their class and their major. You could see over here that the email body is highly personalized. It mentions all the things that are pertaining to Parker, whereas the template we provided just said one line. What we output is a hyper personalized message. Satisfied with this, we can continue forward, look at some campaign launch details, check the start, end date, see some campaign projections based on historical campaigns, finalize, check a sending schedule, and then the fundraising officer, once the campaign is running, will also have access to a very nice campaign analytics dashboard which shows the KPIs needed, performance by segment and geography, as well as insights. Now, in summary, this is what DonorAI enables. Fundraising officers are getting donor interest prediction and topping alignment. They are able to see what the next likely gift would be. We calculate that in the platform, and all of this results in an AI assisted hyper personalized message. Universities get measurable ROI, sustainable growth in participation, and personalization that scales across thousands of alumni. This is the future of donor engagement, not by replacing existing systems, but by amplifying them. By combining an existing CRM with additional engagement data, we can transform this data using Syntasa's CCDP as well as Google AI to get 10 times smarter fundraising. That is Donor AI. Thank you.